All right, so now I have my video and it's time to add some sound effects. For this video, I think I want to do some more specific sound effects than the Final Cut Pro stock sound effects. So I'm going to go over to Pixabay. The easiest way to do this is to shrink your windows down so that Final Cut Pro is on half your screen and Pixabay is on half your screen. And I'm going to just start searching for some things that make sense for my video. So the first thing, it's a beautiful sunny day at the start of my video at the beach. So I'm going to just do sunny day at the beach. Pixabay is a website that has a bunch of free sound effects and music and B-roll that you can use. And then when I am ready to play a sound effect and test it out, I could just go ahead and press this play button right here. That's a stream at the beach. Maybe I don't want to do like sunny day at the beach. Maybe I just want to do beach. Beach atmosphere, perfect. So I'm going to click that download button, and then it's going to come up to this download arrow up here, and I'm just going to click on my beach, and I'm just going to drag it over. You may accidentally click on it, and then what's going to happen is it's going to start playing in your Apple Music. Then you just need to pause it and close out of Apple Music. But now I bring it in, and I can just press spacebar. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. And that's where I'm going to kind of stop it. Maybe I'll let it keep going right there. Once it rains, I'm going to kind of get rid of that. Maybe I'll go to a stormy beach. When they jump in the water, I'm going to have a splash play. Once again, I'm going to click this down arrow. It's going to download it. It'll pop up here. And then I just click and drag that to where they jump in. So like right there. I'm going to go ahead and continue adding sound effects to this video using the download button on Pixabay. And so I'm just going to keep on looking for sound effects and I'm going to end up making a really cool video. Alright, so I got my whole video here now. I got all my different sound effects. I got some music from Pixabay in there. And here's what the entire thing sounds like right now.
It's the end of the line.
Cool. I got all those sound effects and all that music from Pixabay. If I want to go and do music in Pixabay, I just go where it says sound effects and I go up to music. And then I can search music and I can just type in like happy music. And it'll pop up. If I like that, I can just once again click that download button. It will download and I click from up here and I drag it to the end of my video. And now it would end like... Okay, so that is how you're going to use Pixabay to add sounds to your sound effect project in your Final Cut Pro.